Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1972 Buick Gran Sport. This is a true GS car. It has all the GSX striping and badging. It is not a true GSX, but it is a true Gran Sport. Absolutely stunning car, guys. Everybody in this building is in love with this car. Always been a big fan of Buicks. If you've watched my videos over the years, I think these are great cars. I think these are very underrated cars, and this one is stunning. It's actually a local car that was restored about 10 years ago. You can't tell it wasn't restored yesterday. This car is beautiful. Factory color, burnished copper metallic, which just pops in the sunshine. I'm so glad we got sun today. Again, it's got all the black GSX striping. It's got the 15-inch Buick Rallys all the way around it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs. A lot of options. Matching numbers, 350, small block car. They've upgraded it to a 200R4 automatic overdrive trans, power steering, power disc brakes, AC, tilt. Very, very cool car, guys. And I'm telling you, not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car. Slick, slick paint. Good tach. Front and rear spoilers. Little touch-up mark there, and again, that's nitpicking it. Stunning car. A little touch-up mark there. Got the black vinyl interior. That stuff has all been redone. Turn the key, take this car right to a car show. Beautiful car. Love this color. Man, does it jump off this car. There's just a little dust in there. I saw a little fade mark, yeah, there in your bumper. But even that, like I say, I'm just nitpicking it to death here. Look how nice that car is down the side. Sits good. Killer set of rallies on it. Just as nice on the bottom. Like I say, turn the key, take it right to the car show. Front disc brakes. Ooh, that car's pretty right there. We have verified it too. The VIN numbers on the front of the block, matching numbers, 350 cubic inch engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, factory ram air cleaner and hood. It's got a set of finned aluminum Buick valve covers on it, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air blows ice cold. 200R4 automatic overdrive trans. Hood tach. Gorgeous car. Great car. If I remember right, there's a Z in the VIN, so it's original California built car. But I bought the car locally. I literally bought the car right up the road, not 20 minutes from here. Dual sport mirrors. That's a remote one. You see the door handles have been replaced. All the interior looks new. See those door steams are nice and clean. Remote driver's mirror, new carpet, new sill plates. Factory bucket seats with center console. It's got the tilt column with a sport wheel. They've upgraded it to the newer style shoulder harnesses in the front. Looks like it's got all the factory seat belts in the back. Headliner looks great. Steering wheel looks great. Showing 66,674. I'm assuming that's probably the right miles on the car. Clock works. Aftermarket radio. It's got a JVC radio in it. The dash is very nice. It's got a Dynomax dual exhaust system on it. It's got a 308 limited slip rear axle, factory 10 bolt with the rear sway bar. Factory jack with spare is in here. Nice car, man. Yeah, these are great cars. Everything opens and closes real nice. Hits the road just as sweet as can be. As always, pictures going to be available on our website. Can't stress this to you enough. Make sure you pick up the phone and call us. 248-620-3355. If you're looking at a car and it's from Southern Motors, please pick up the phone and call. A lot of scams right now. Make sure you verify you are talking to Southern Motors. Seats are nice. They've definitely been all redone. Nice car. Like I said, you have air works, air blows cold. That is an awesome car. Beautiful. Jack works. Holding good oil pressure. Looks like all your gauges are functional, including the clock. Fit and finish is very nice. Hopefully you can see that. All your lights and turn signal works. Backup lights do work. Hopefully you can see that. I know they work. Good sound. The only thing I didn't check was the radio. Radio works, blower motor works. Outstanding car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button here at the bottom. You can also now subscribe to our website, southernmotors.com. Great way to keep track of it.